Introducing Wildflower. It inspires you to set your spirit free and express yourself in a unique and free-thinking way. Prep the skin using Mud's face primer and cream or liquid foundation. For more color intensity, mix eye colors with Mud's face primer. Apply luster highlight powder to the entire lid. Applying Cajun Spice eye color to the lid and lower lash, creating a V shape. To add depth, apply Spanish Gold eye color to the crease of the eye. Add a light application of Sweet Cheeks color cream to the apple of the cheeks. Complete the look by adding a layer of Sweet Cheeks color cream to the lips.